Have you been looking for a spot that you can fix up and make your very own, away from the hustle and bustle of city life on 6.5 acres in Brown County? Then this very well may be the home for you. As soon as you turn off of Lick Creek Road and start up the long, gorgeous wooded drive, you're going to know that you've stepped onto your own little piece of heaven. This home is surrounded by mature trees, and when you step inside, you're going to see your new blank slate. There's a family room with built-ins. There's a huge kitchen with a center island. There's already been some work done with some new laminate hardwoods in the dining room and family room. Off of the kitchen, you're going to have wonderful views. There's a full bath in the hallway, master on the main level with its own full bath, walk-in shower, and walk-in closet. Upstairs, there are 2 more bedrooms and also a half bath. There is also a huge walk-in closet up there as well. Walk across the street, there is a separate building with an upper level and a lower level, equaling over 2,400 square feet. This would be an amazing workshop, a home office, an art studio, maybe in-law quarters, or a perfect spot for that college kid as well. The views all around are absolutely breathtaking. You will sit here for hours and just love taking it all in. Off of the main house, there is a huge screened-in porch, walk-around deck. You're absolutely going to love it. Before we put this home on the market, Zillow had it valued at $455,000. The seller said, "Who cares about that? I know it needs work. Let's price it to sell." If this is for you, give me a call, shoot me a text, and let's get you into your very own little slice of heaven on earth.